Okay, opening this live. Mr. Gold. Blessings, everybody.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, we have our 1,000 subscriber draw coming up now. Right, Mr. Gold?
Yeah.
And we're going to give away some money, some t-shirts.
Merchandise.
Yes, some merchandise. So that includes the hoodie that a lot of people like. Yes, you heard it. The time is now. 1,000 subscribers goal, M&MG family. And guess what we need to do is reach our 1,000 subscribers goal so that we can open up our community to make this a better channel for you all. So in order to enter, you must be a subscriber to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment that says 1,000 gold under any one of our videos, and we will enter your name for a chance to win, and we will hold a raffle on a particular date. Good luck. Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&MG. Oh my God, we missed you guys so much. But I know that some of you know that I had to take some time to rest and spend time with family. I'm also doing, other than working a regular job, I do a lot of volunteering and I also work overtime. So trust me, Mr. Gold as well works very hard. So sometimes we have to take time out to relax and spend time with our family. And especially how we've been on lockdown 3 times in our city. As soon as they freed up this week, we had to take advantage of it. So you'll see what we did soon in another video. But bless up to all of our M&MG family that continues to leave comments in our comment section. We love you guys so much. And this is the overdue video of how I spent Mother's Day with Mr. Gold. So I hope you guys like this video. Kick back, relax. We haven't did a driving video in a minute, so this video will be driving around the neighborhoods and also taking a visit by a place that we like to go often. And then you guys can see what I got for Mother's Day. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And please, we might also be giving away a surprise ALKALINE CD, if I get it in time, autographed CD, to one of the lucky winners who enter in the 1,000 subscriber goal draw. Stay tuned. We're live this weekend. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and hopefully we'll have a special guest. I'll let you guys know more information soon. Bless and enjoy the video. Now, this neighborhood is called Mississauga Road. It is a long stretch of road that have some beautiful homes that me and Mr. Gold love to just drive by and sightsee all the time. It's one of our favorite roads to travel on when we're heading towards the lake shore in the Mississauga area. So look at these beautiful homes and enjoy. Now we're in the Mississauga Lakeshore area. Now heading to one of our favorite beaches in Mississauga that's close to home, and we don't need to worry about driving too far just to get some scenery. It was a chilly day, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta get out the house and get some fresh air.
Big up to all real people out there. Big up to all my real Vinci people. You don't know. Big up yourself. You don't know. I don't want to cry. It got me feel nice. You see, Toronto, they done this so. And Mississauga, they up here so. And everybody here don't know. Yo.
Big up Vinci crew. Don't know. Big up
me people, they want to see me so. You don't know.
beach life.
Cool day.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody.
Big up yourself. ALKALINE album drop
May 14th.
Bumbo clot. A weekend, huh?
Yeah, man, we're ready. We're ready for the ALKALINE album. John, trust me, we're ready. Bless.
Gaza people, watch yourself.
Oh, beautiful Toronto. Right across the water there. See the lights, the city lights. This is Mississauga. Mother's Day. Nice fresh air on the beach with Mr. Gold. See the troublemaker right there? I hope everybody had a great Mother's Day and enjoyed our video. Bless. Always have to stop to get a treat at Dairy Queen anytime we go by this beach. Ugh, Dairy Queen. Yum, yum, yum. Well, time to open up my Mother's Day gift. What did I get for Mother's Day? Okay, opening this live. Mr. Gold, can I get help, please? Okay, now going inside. Thank you, honey, Mr. Gold. Appreciate it. So, we have our Reeboks. Okay, so got my Reeboks, and this should be what I've been waiting for. My second Cardi B. Oh my god, can I open this? My second Cardi B shoes. Woo! Yes, sick. Sick. Yes. Yep, see? Cardi B right there in the middle of the shoe. Show Mr. Gold. Ooh, the shoes is so sexy. Look at the laces. And the red bottom is nice. Big up Cardi B. This is a pair of shorts or tights. Yep, so these are shorts from Reebok. Thank you, sweetheart, for them. I can't wait to wear them in the summer. Yes, green tights from Reebok. Nice. These are really nice. So, thank you, Mr. Gold. See that black at the bottom? Nice. Big box is from my daughter and my son-in-law to be. This is so cool, and I'm not going to take it out now until I'm ready to set it up, but it's a eco-friendly wood plant stand. So this is good for us to keep our plants. Thank you, my daughter. Bless. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been a minute since we had a scenery video. More to come now that the place is open. Thank you for watching. Bless. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.